Have you ever heard of a fruit that not only tastes like a mix of strawberry and pineapple, but is also believed to fight cancer? That's the soursop tree, also called Graviola or guanabana. And trust me, it's not just another tree. It's a treasure. Let's explore how you can plant this miracle tree right in your home and enjoy both its beauty and benefits. What is the soursop tree? The soursop tree is a tropical fruit tree with shiny green leaves and large heart-shaped fruits covered in soft spines. The inside? Soft, creamy white pulp filled with a sweet, tangy flavor that you'll never forget. It's native to the Caribbean, Central America, and parts of South Asia. But guess what? You can grow it at home, too, even in a big pot. How to plant a soursop tree. You've got two options. One, from seed, takes longer. Soak the seeds overnight. Plant them 1 inch deep in seed-starting mix. Keep warm and moist. Sprouting can take 15 to 30 days. 2, from sapling, faster. Buy a small plant from a nursery. Dig a hole twice the size of its root ball. Use well-draining soil mixed with compost. Pro tip, plant in a spot with full sunlight. Soursop loves the sun. How to care for the soursop tree. Watering. Keep soil slightly moist, especially during early growth. Don't flood it. Sunlight. Needs 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Fertilizer. Use organic compost or a balanced NPK fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks. Temperature. Prefers warmth, 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost or cold winds, pot or ground. You can grow it in a big pot, at least 20 inches deep, if you don't have land. When will it fruit? If grown from seed, it takes 3 to 5 years to fruit. If from a sapling, you might see fruit in just 2 years under good care. The fruits grow big, up to 6 to 10 inches long, and they smell amazing when ripe. Health benefits that'll surprise you. Soursop isn't just tasty, it's packed with potential healing powers. People across the world use it for boosting immunity, reducing inflammation, fighting cancer cells, according to some studies, not a substitute for medicine, aiding digestion, managing diabetes, calming the nerves. Its leaves are used as herbal tea. Note: always talk to a doctor before using it for treatment purposes. Is it safe? Yes, the fruit and leaves are generally safe in moderation. But the seeds are toxic. Never eat them. Soursop leaf. Tea? Boil 2 to 3 fresh leaves in water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink like a herbal tea. It's calming and believed to support the immune system. Why you should grow this tree. It looks beautiful in the garden, gives shade, fruit, and medicine. One grows well in warm climates like Pakistan, India, Philippines, or tropical zones. You'll never have to buy soursop again. It's expensive.